Runhe Hydraulic Machinery Co., Ltd. is a subsidiary of Hanju Technology Group company specializing in hydraulic gear pumps. We are also one of the most recognized suppliers of large OEM equipment manufacturers in the domestic hydraulic industry. With more than 12 years of industry experience, our professional team focuses on the research, manufacture and sales of hydraulic pumps and hydraulic motors, and constantly improves our product structure and functions to meet the diverse needs of our customers. In addition to the standard series of hydraulic gear pumps, we can also provide customized services. We are willing to make friends with customers from all over the world.